Hi everybody and welcome to another edition of Simon Says
Let's learn English.
Take a look at these sentences. David is a teacher. He is at school. Now in these sentences, David and he, same person. So we're talking about one person. Therefore, we use is. David is a teacher. He is at school. Now let's take a look at these sentences. The River Nile is very long. It is the longest river in the world. Now in these sentences, the River Nile and it, same thing. We're talking about the same thing. And we're talking about one thing. Therefore, we use is. The River Nile is very long. It is the longest river in the world. But let's just pause for a second. What about the pronoun I? This is talking about one person. And the pronoun you in the singular is also talking about one person. So what do we use in these cases? Well, for I am teaching English. I am teaching English. You are watching this video. So in these two examples, even though we're talking about singular pronouns, we don't use is. Okay, so what have we learned so far? Well, what we've learned is that he, she, and it goes with is. I goes with am, and you goes with are. But let's just focus on is and are for the rest of this lesson. Okay, so let's look at these sentences. The students are in the classroom. They are listening to the teacher. Now, the students, we're talking about more than one person. Therefore, we use the pronoun they. So they and the students, same people. We're talking about the same people. So therefore, in this case, we use the verb are. The students are in the classroom. They are listening to the teacher. Okay, now let's have a look at these sentences. There are a lot of cars on the street. They are causing heavy traffic. Now in this example, cars is talking about more than one car. Therefore, we use the pronoun they. So they and cars are talking about the same thing. And because we're talking about more than one car, we have to use the verb are. There are a lot of cars on the street. They are causing heavy traffic. Okay, now it's time to test yourself. Question 1. My brother is very tall. Now, brother is one person, so we use is. Okay, next question. The cats are in the garden. Cats, more than one, so we use are. Next question. Sarah and Ali are at home. They are doing their homework. Sarah and Ali, more than one, so we use they. Question 4. The book is on the table. It is very interesting. Now we're talking about one book, so we use is in both sentences. And the last question. Most of my friends are ready to go out, but Ali is not here. Friends are many, so we use are. Ali is just one person, so we use is. Now, if you got 5 out of 5, then that is excellent. If you got less than 5, then don't worry, just watch the video again and do the test again. That's it for now. Stay tuned for another lesson from Simon Says Let's Learn English.